Understanding fried egg. Hello learners! Today, we are diving deep into the delicious world of breakfast foods to explore the meaning of the term fried egg. Whether you're a food lover or simply curious about English phrases, this video is going to be egg-stra special for you. Fried egg is a culinary term that refers to an egg that has been cooked in hot oil or butter. It consists of two main parts. 1. The white. This is the clear part of the egg when it's raw, but it turns white and solidifies when cooked. 2. The yolk. The yellow center of the egg. Depending on how you fry it, the yolk can be runny or fully set. There are two common ways to fry an egg. 1. Sunny side up. The egg is only cooked on one side. The yolk remains liquid and the white is only just set. It's called sunny side because the yolk looks like a bright sun. 2. Over easy or over hard. The egg is flipped over and cooked on both sides. For over easy, the yolk is still slightly runny, while for over hard, the yolk is fully set. To give you a better grasp, let's look at some sentences using fried egg. 1. I'd like a fried egg on toast for breakfast. 2. She prefers her fried eggs sunny side up. 3. When you flip the egg and cook both sides, it's called an over-easy fried egg. In many cultures, the fried egg is a breakfast staple. It's often paired with toast, bacon, or even used in sandwiches. Not only is it delicious, but it also provides essential nutrients, making it a great way to start the day. There you have it, the ins and outs of a fried egg. Next time you're at a breakfast table or reading an English menu, you'll know exactly what this tasty term means. We hope this video has been both informative and mouth-watering. Until next time, happy learning and bon appetit!